Looking for the best Fitbit to track your fitness and health? From counting steps and tracking workouts to monitoring sleep and stress levels, Fitbit has a device for everyone. In this guide, we break down the top Fitbit models to help you find the perfect one based on your needs and budget. Best overall, Fitbit Sense 2. Our top pick is the Fitbit Sense 2. It's a premium fitness tracker with multi-day battery life, advanced health monitoring tools, and built-in GPS. The Sense 2 tracks sleep, stress, heart rate, and even skin temperature. It features an ECG app and a real-time stress tracker, which provides insights and guidance on managing stress. While it lacks third-party app support, Google Assistant, and music storage, it's still one of the most accurate fitness trackers available. The large, intuitive display makes it great for beginners, and its premium health features make it worth the investment. Best budget? Fitbit Inspire 3. If you're looking for an affordable option, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is your best bet. Despite its budget price, it offers heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and even skin temperature sensing. It's lightweight, comfortable, and has a battery life of up to 10 days. While it lacks built-in GPS and smartwatch features, it's perfect for those wanting a straightforward fitness tracker at a great price. Best mid-range? Fitbit Charge 6. For a balance of affordability and advanced features, the Fitbit Charge 6 is an excellent mid-range choice. It includes built-in GPS, ECG readings, and NFC for Google Wallet payments. Unlike the Inspire 3, it syncs heart rate data with exercise machines. While it lacks stress tracking and calling capabilities, its durable metal design and robust fitness features make it a solid choice for most users. Best for style? Fitbit Luxe. For a fashionable yet functional tracker, the Fitbit Luxe stands out. With a sleek stainless steel case, bright AMOLED display, and customizable bands, it blends style with performance. It tracks sleep, stress, and fitness activities, but lacks smart features like app downloads and built-in GPS. Still, its 6-day battery life and elegant design make it the best choice for those who want a stylish fitness band. Best for kids? Fitbit Ace 3. For younger users, the Fitbit Ace 3 is the best pick. Designed for kids aged 6 and up, it includes parental controls, a fun and colorful design, and step-based challenges to keep kids engaged. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters and includes notification features for easy communication. If you're looking for a simple and durable fitness tracker for kids, this is the one to get. Models we don't recommend. We don't recommend the Fitbit Versa 4 as it removed key features found in its predecessor, the Versa 3, such as third-party apps and music storage. Instead, if you're looking for a more complete smartwatch experience, consider the Google Pixel Watch 3, which includes Fitbit's fitness tracking but offers a full smartwatch experience. How we test Fitbits. We rigorously test each Fitbit by wearing it daily, tracking workouts, sleep, and stress levels. We evaluate accuracy by comparing Fitbit's GPS and fitness data with independent apps. Battery life is tested through multiple workouts and full-day use. Lastly, we assess the app's usability and the effectiveness of Fitbit's wellness features, including stress management tools and mindfulness apps. Fitbit offers a tracker for every need and budget. If you want the best overall experience, go for the Sense 2. If you're on a budget, the Inspire 3 is a fantastic entry-level choice. For a mid-range option, the Charge 6 provides more advanced fitness tracking. The Luxe is great for style-conscious users, and for kids, the Ace 3 is the perfect pick. No matter your fitness level, there's a Fitbit for you.